Decorah is the next big town to Burr Oak, Iowa. That's the town where the Ingalls family lived when they backtrailed. Decorah is a fairly large town, and because it is near a college, there are a lot of hotels. But the one I'm staying in this trip is the Decorah Super 8. It's on the second floor, no elevator. I will say I'm having a little trouble with the key. You need to put it in, hold it, and then put it. Well, tonight I am staying at the Super 8 in Decorah, Iowa. I have stayed here once before and ended up in a smoking room, which was sort of my own fault because they had only smoking rooms left on their website, and then I can't remember what system I called, or I went online and found one that said they did have a smoking or a non-smoking room, and thought, hey, I clevered that out. That's got a good old smear on it. And I did not clever it out. They really did only have a smoking room, and my God, it smelled. And they have a coffee maker, a microwave, and a refrigerator. Some artwork, no closet. And here's the view from the window. Looks like a fairly new heater. There's also something in there. Which is not great. But it's a pretty standard looking room. Everything's a little steamy because it was very hot today and now it's rained. Alright. One thing from a quick look around that I do want to point out especially is this shower head. It looks like it could use a solid cleaning. Staying overnight really convinced me it did need a thorough cleaning. I don't know what those white things are around the plug, but I don't think they can be good. And when the plug was open, I had started to take a shower and just let the water run through, because that's what I like to do. And this was it after about 2 minutes with the plug open. I don't know what was going on there, but it wasn't good. It did eventually drain, and there were also all sorts of just terrible cobwebs around. So it was a decent spot, but it really did need a thorough cleaning. Thank you for coming along with me on the room tour, and I hope you will remember to brighten the corner where you are, the Super 8 in Decorah, Iowa.